Today is Spider-Man Day.
Today's Spider-Man Day. It's February 13th, the day before Valentine's Day. And Rosie has been crawling. She's been doing little belly pulls here and there before this, like a few feet at a time on the floor. But today she's just raring to go.
Rosie.
So we thought we better get some pictures of her first official crawling day.
I-ba-do. Rosie.
You are getting prettier and prettier, young lady.
Rosie.
Rosie.
See, it's finished.
Rosie, why are you so blurry?
Rosie.
I don't know what happened there for a minute. We got blurry.
Rosie.
Oh, now she's going towards the books. That's all right. Rosie, can you come over here?
For Rosie. Should I get her? Rosie. Come on. Rosie.
Come on over here. Rosie.
Rosie, would you like to? Would you like to?
Come on, Rosie. You can do it. There, you did it.
Did she cry?
Of course, she's going to go for the ones right next to her. Why go for the one that Mom just moved away from me? I'll take these right here on the bookshelf. That crazy Mom. I'll just knock them all over. I'll take green eggs and ham. Please. If you please.
I know how to get her to cry.
And I will read it on the floor, and I will read it out the door. I do so like green eggs and ham.
Come
here, Rosie.
I know how to make her crawl.
All right,
Never
where's
crawl
Sam?
with this
Let's get a
dog.
picture of Sam crawling, as long as we got the camera out to get crawling pictures.
Mom.
There's Lucy with her
This is
Valentine's
how
Day
we go.
card on. Oh, Sam.